Hi and welcome, I am here today with XIAOMI Mi 11 Lite and I'll be showing you how to take screenshots without pressing any buttons. First off, we have to go to the settings. Now, look for additional settings, button shortcuts, take a screenshot and choose slide 3 fingers down. Now let's go back to the home screen and let's say I would like to take a screenshot of this area without pressing any buttons. Then I have to simply take my 3 fingers and move them across the screen from top to the bottom like this. As you can see, I have taken a screenshot without pressing any buttons. And that's everything for this video. I hope it helped. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe and comment our videos and share them with others, please. Goodbye.